everyone, and welcome back to What the Fun English, your place to practice real, everyday English with confidence.
I'm Josh, that's Becky, and today we've got a fun little guessing game for you.
Exactly. And if you enjoy this kind of episode, feel free to subscribe for more lessons like this one. It really helps other learners find the podcast.
All right, Becky, tell everyone what we're doing today.
Today's game is all about food. I'll describe a food item using the 5 senses: sight, touch, smell, sound, and taste. And your job is to guess what it is.
Perfect. And everything today is something you can find in the kitchen, the supermarket, or on your plate. That helps my confidence already. Okay, Becky, let's begin. What does it look like?
It looks yellow and long.
Yellow and long. Sounds like something that wants to be a pineapple but didn't grow up big enough. Is it a pineapple?
Nope, not a pineapple.
All right, next question. What does it feel like?
It feels smooth and a little soft.
Smooth and soft. Okay, that reminds me of a mango. Is it a mango?
Not a mango.
Interesting. Then, what does it smell like?
It smells sweet and fresh.
Sweet and fresh. Maybe a pear?
Not a pear.
A sweet smell, but not a pear. All right. What does it sound like?
It sounds very quiet. No crunch at all.
Quiet and soft. Okay, now I think I'm getting close. What does it taste like?
It tastes sweet and creamy.
Sweet, creamy, yellow, long. Is it a banana?
Yes, it is!
Finally, 1 point for me.
All right, now it's your turn to describe something.
Same rules, still food, still 5 senses.
And I'll try to guess this time.
Let's do one more.
Okay, Josh, what does it look like?
It looks yellow and small.
Yellow and small. Good start. What does it feel like?
It feels light and a little rough.
Light and rough. Okay. What does it smell like?
It smells warm and buttery.
Warm and buttery. That already sounds delicious. What does it sound like?
It sounds loud and crunchy when you bite it.
Loud and crunchy. I think I know. What does it taste like?
It tastes salty and warm.
Yellow, warm, crunchy, salty. Is it popcorn?
Exactly.
Yes! 2 for 2 today.
Your challenge today: choose one food in your kitchen and describe it using the 5 questions.
And if you want extra practice, write your description in the comments. We love reading what you come up with.
And if this game helped you practice your adjectives and senses, share this episode with someone who's learning English too.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time.